Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a ghee rice recipe with simple and spicy tadka. This is very delicious, easy lunchbox recipe, and if it's time for you to pack your lunchbox or your kids' lunchbox, it's a great recipe and it stays longer and it's very fragrant. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started with this ghee rice recipe with delicious tadka. To start off, here I have a pan that I'm going to cook the rice with. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon ghee. To this I'm also adding 2 bay leaves, and also I'm adding 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera or black cumin. If you don't find black cumin, you can add regular cumin seeds. Go ahead and saute until it's nice crackles, and once that is done, I'm adding 1 medium-sized onion that is finely chopped. Go ahead and saute them until it's nice and soft and translucent. You don't have to brown this onion at this point. Now here I have 1 cup of basmati rice. I have washed and soaked for 10 minutes. You can use basmati rice or regular rice, any type of rice would work. Go ahead and actually drain the water and add the rice to the pot and saute them until the rice is slightly toasted and golden color. Now to this I'm adding 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil, and now cover this and reduce the flame and cook it until the rice is done. While the rice is cooking, I'm adding 1 tablespoon ghee in a small tadka pan, and to this I've added half a teaspoon of cumin, 6 to 8 green chilies finely chopped, and garlic I've added 8 to 10 thinly sliced, and handful of curry leaves. Go ahead and saute them until the garlic is nicely brown little bit and it has nice fragrance. Go ahead and add the tadka to the rice, the cooked rice, and gently combine and cover this for 10 minutes before you serve. You can serve this with simple raita or choice of gravy. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.